Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Hubspot to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages, and some tips. From here we have to tap on General, and then to connect apps. Then the app is going to load, and here we have a list of different kinds of apps that we can add to the Slack. Now we scroll down, and under the Essential Apps category, at the bottom we find Hubspot. We just tap on this, and the app is going to load again. But afterwards, there's going to be a button which says Add to Slack, right here, and then we can just tap on this and add it to our workspace. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.